Windfall wonderful when we win. This is your friend James. Let's get a nice shot. You have to zoom in, Tanya, so that we can get the shot for the actual video. Just the power bus. Did you zoom in?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Let's do the unboxing.
So what is it?
This is what it says in the thing. It's a Power XL Vortex air fryer.
Okay.
I got the smaller version. Tanya and Lori have been singing the praises of this for so long. Remove basket, load basket, return unit, power on, remove. They actually told the people exactly how to do it.
Well, I mean, if you don't provide instructions, people
some
try to
people
see
must be silly. Well, anyways. Wait, are you zoomed in? Are you close enough? Come on.
Yeah, I'm
Don't
close
zoom
enough.
in. Just come on. Just bring the thing closer.
You told me to zoom.
Well, only for the thing. So for what's his face? So here we go. This seems to be just it, y'all. It's just the fryer. And there it is once again. It's just that's it. Wow. That's it. I was expecting a little more.
What were you expecting?
Oh, there's tape. Take off the tape. You just pull it out. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty
Oh, that's nice.
intricate.
Oh, so you got to lift this up in order to clean underneath it?
It looks like there's some tape there too. This looks like some plastic. Maybe not. Maybe we need to. I didn't see a startup thing.
Oh, wow.
Or just pull the handle out. Power Vortex air fryer.
Oh, they even give you a little cookbook.
Well, that's interesting, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at the inside. It's got the. Do you see that?
Yep.
Oh, wow. And it's got the little. Well, that's neat. Well, praise the Lord. Well, we'll do some fries. I don't know how long does it normally take to do French fries.
I don't know. You'd have to press the button and see, or look in the book.
Oh, okay. Well, Dad and the time wanted us to do some French fries, so we'll do some French fries in the next video, and so that's good. So, not in the next video. Right after this, we'll do the French fries. Love y'all. Live will be.